Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to restore missing chat history on Messenger. If your chats aren't syncing across devices, follow these steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, open Messenger on a device where your chats are still available. This is usually your phone. Tap the three lines at the top, then tap the gear icon to open Settings. Scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. Under the Security section, tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats, then tap Message Storage. Here, you'll find the message storage settings for encrypted chats. If your messages are missing on another device, you need to reset your PIN. Tap Reset PIN and enter a new PIN. Confirm the new PIN. Use this PIN on another device to restore and sync your chat history. If that doesn't work, try turning off secure storage temporarily. Go back to the message storage settings, disable secure storage, and check if your messages sync. Once synced, you can turn secure storage back on. And that's it. These steps should help you recover missing chats on Messenger. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.